Math 142, final practice. This is question number 8. And in 8, we're supposed to solve that equation. It's bounded over the interval 0 to 2 pi. So let's get to work on this. You know, one of the things that I notice here is I have both sine squared and a cosine here. So I think that the first thing I'm going to do is turn this sine squared into a cosine. Use that Pythagorean identity. Sine squared is the same as 1 minus cosine squared. Distribute that 2 into there. 2 minus 2 cosine squared x is equal to 2 plus cosine x. Next thing that I will do is, well, subtract 2 from both sides, and I get negative 2 cosine squared x equals cosine x. Next thing I could do then is I'll just add that to negative 2 cosine. I'll add 2 cosine squared x to both sides, so I end up with 0 equals 2 cosine squared x plus cosine of x. What I could do here then is factor out a cosine. 0 equals cosine of x times 2 cosine of x plus 1. These two things are multiplied to give me 0, so I know that cosine of x has to equal 0. I also know that 2 cosine of x plus 1 has to equal 0. So on here, subtract 1, divide by 2. Cosine of x equals negative 1/2. So I have these two solutions. Cosine is 0, or cosine is of the angle is negative 1/2. So next thing I could do then is check out my unit circle if I wanted to. Let's see the things x could be. Cosine is, sorry, y. So from this one, cosine x is 0, you get pi over 2. I'm sorry, cosine's x. You get pi over 2, or you get 3 pi over 2. And if cosine's going to be negative 1/2, that happens here and here, so you also have 2 pi over 3, and you also have 4 pi over 3. There they are.